going to discuss the important topic drainage system in the geography of India. We did complete Ganga river system, we did complete Brahmaputra river system yesterday, and now it's time for other system. Okay, eastern states also have a major river and riverine system, that is Barak river system. After that we are going to discuss Indus river system. Okay, today we are going to discuss two river systems like Barak river system and Indus river system. Okay, all over India, northern India, okay, the central lowlands like Gangetic plain is the Ganga river system, it can be flow, and the Tibetan plate, there is a hilly areas, or the Brahmaputra river which is flow eastward, the hilly area of Tibetan plate, and northeastern states like Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Assam, it can be crossed the Brahmaputra river system. If come to the Indus river system in the northern India, that can be flow westward into the Pakistan. Okay, that is about the Indus river system. And what is Barak river system? There are easternmost states like Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Tripura, Manipur. These 7 sister states are, there is a river system. We can call it as Barak river system. We are going to discuss now about Barak river system, very simplified. Okay? Yep. Barak river system, mainly it can be flow the states Manipur, okay, yeah, Mizoram and Nagaland, Assam, Tripura. As you know these states, right? Barak river system that can be flow these states, guys. Okay? Yep. And Manipur, okay, Manipur hills. Of course, these 7 sister states are mostly hilly areas. Okay? Yes, there is a high amount of high density forest and hilly areas are there. River they can flow through the waterfalls like that. Okay? Yeah. Manipur hills, okay, created a near Kulun village. Okay, this is the district Manipur. There is a Barak river system started. Barak is the main river course in the eastern states, guys. It can be flow Manipur, later Mizoram, Assam. Okay, finally they can reach Bangladesh as into the Meghana. Who is Meghana? Who is Meghana? Meghana is the combination of 2 rivers, Padma and Jamuna. Who is Padma? Who is Jamuna? Okay, Padma is the Ganga river system, Jamuna is the Brahmaputra river system. If they enter into the Bangladesh, there is a names Padma and Jamuna. If they together to form, there is a Meghana. Okay, this is the Meghana. It is the final destination of Barak river system. Okay, yes, it is Barak river system which is about 900 kilometers. Okay, yeah, tributaries of Barak river system, they might not ask you. If they ask you, just you have to come across once. Okay, Jiri, okay, Dhavaleshwari, okay, Dhaleshwari, Sonai, okay, Kathakal. These are the major important the tributary of Barak river system, guys. Okay, yeah, of course there is a Barak valley is there in the name of that, there where Silchar is the most important border like area of the Assam, guys. Okay, yes, yeah. After that, Manas river system, this is also most important. It can be origin in Bhutan, guys. Bhutan, they can reach Assam. Finally, they can reach Assam. The only river, only most important river originate at Bhutan is Manas. Okay, there is a Manas wildlife sanctuary also there in Assam, guys. Okay, Manas is the name relevant to the Assam itself. Okay, there is a Manas river is there. It is origin at Bhutan Himalayas. Okay, Bhutan Himalayas, tributary of Brahmaputra. It is the tributary of Brahmaputra, of course, joins near Assam. Okay, Manas Tiger Reserve also there, guys, in the Assam. Manas Tiger Reserve is the UNESCO World Heritage Site, guys. UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is important for coming exam, guys. Manas Wildlife Sanctuary mean Tiger Reserve is there. That is UNESCO World Heritage Site. Okay, it is tributary of Brahmaputra. It is origin at Bhutan, guys. Okay, next Subansiri River System. Subansiri, this is also Eastern State River. It is originate Arunachal Pradesh, guys. Okay, Tibet Himalayas. Okay, tributary of Brahmaputra. It is also tributary of Brahmaputra. Major hydropower projects that took place in this Subansiri Dam, guys. Subansiri Dam. Actually, yesterday I discussed very fastly. That's why I am gonna give you detailed discussion about these rivers, guys. Okay, Subansiri, Manas, Barak. These are the easternmost states of river systems, guys. Okay, yes. Next, Teesta River. It is most important. Teesta River is the most important. Okay, most important. This is between India and Bangladesh. India versus Bangladesh. India versus Bangladesh, guys. It is not a cricket team, but it is water team. Okay, yeah. Teesta River. Where it is origin? Sikkim, guys. Most important, Sikkim and West Bengal part also. Okay, yeah. Panhari glaciers, Sikkim, it can be origin. Okay, it can be flow Sikkim to West Bengal to Bangladesh. It is also tributary of Brahmaputra. Okay, yes. It is a dispute between India and Bangladesh. Dispute between India and Bangladesh. Yeah, you come across this word, Teesta River issues. Teesta River issues between Bangladesh and India, guys. Okay, yeah. I hope you guys understand. The fifth river is Teesta River. Okay, yes. And Dibang River, where it is originate? Arunachal Pradesh. Where it is originate? Arunachal Pradesh. They can ask you this kind of rivers only, guys. Dibang is originate Arunachal Pradesh, but Dihang is different. Dihang is different. Okay, where it is? Mishmi Hills. Mishmi Hills. Okay, eastern Arunachal Pradesh. Mishmi Hills are there. They can ask you, Mishmi Hills are related to the which state? They can ask you the hilly states only: Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya. Mishmi Hills comes under Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, yeah. And if come to this, Lohit joins Lohit and Siang to form Brahmaputra. Guys, just Dibang, okay, plus Lohit plus this Siang, okay, Siang. If these three rivers together to form a river called Brahmaputra. The combination of three rivers called Brahmaputra. What are the combinations? Okay, Dibang, Lohit and Siang. Three rivers combination as we can call Brahmaputra. Ganga river is the combination of two rivers, Bhagirathi, Alaknanda. Okay, Bhagirathi plus Alaknanda. Two rivers called Ganga river. Ganga river. This kind of questions they can ask you, guys. Okay, and if come to the Padma plus Jamuna together form Meghana. This all over in Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Padma is the Ganga river, Jamuna is the Brahmaputra river. In the Bangladesh, we can call it as Meghana. This kind of questions they can ask you guys. This kind of questions they can ask you. Okay? Yes. And Lohit river. Next, seventh river is Lohit river, Arunachal Pradesh. It is origin at Tibet. It is origin at Tibet. Okay? Yeah. Flow through the eastern Arunachal Pradesh in the Brahmaputra near Sadia, that can be meet. Okay? I hope you guys understand about it. We are going to discuss Indus later on. Just few minutes we can explain this Dhansiri river. Okay? Nagaland and Assam. Okay? Dhansiri rivers, Nagaland, Assam. They can ask you the questions guys. Okay? Like match the following. State one side, river one side. River one side. They can ask you the questions, match the following questions guys. Match the following questions they can ask you. Dhansiri river comes under Nagaland, okay, and Assam. Okay? Yeah. Lazing Peak, Nagaland, it can be origin. Okay? Yeah. It can be flow in Dhampur, enter into the Assam. It is the tributary of Brahmaputra. Tributary of Brahmaputra. It is about agriculture in Assam, Nagaland border. Okay? I hope you guys understand this. Meghalaya rivers. Meghalaya rivers. Guys, it is actually rain-fed rivers. Rain-fed rivers. There is a huge rain is took place in Meghalaya every year. Okay? Yeah. This is the river Shillong. Okay? They can create, yeah, Kainshi, Umang. These are the name of the Meghalaya rivers. They don't ask you actually. Just you have to look into that. If they ask you, you may find out. Okay? Yeah. Tripura rivers. Tripura. Very short rivers enter into the Bangladesh. Tripura, Gumti, Manu, Howrah. Okay? These are the rivers from Tripura. Manipur rivers. Okay? Barak is the main river of Manipur. Barak is the main river of Manipur, and Nagaland. Okay? Dhansiri, Dayang and Diku, Tiju is the Nagaland rivers. These are all the such a names like China's names, right? Okay? Yeah. PYQ based. Okay? This is important for exam guys. This is most important for exam point of view. Which river is called Sangpo in Tibet? Brahmaputra river. Sangpo, Tibet, we can call Brahmaputra river. The largest island in the world is Majuli Island. Majuli Island. Who created? Brahmaputra river created. Teesta tributary of Brahmaputra in Bangladesh. Manas National Park is located in which river? Manas river. Okay? Yeah. Barak flow into the Meghana, Bangladesh finally. The river famous for hydroelectrical power in Arunachal Pradesh is Subansiri. Most important guys. Okay? The river feeding a Loktak is Impal river, Manipur. I hope you guys understand this. Okay? This is the most important for coming exam guys. Okay? One side is the states, this side is rivers. Match the following questions they can ask you. Match the following questions. Match the following. Okay? This is the river state names. Okay? Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Sikkim, Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram and Tripura. These are the states and these are the rivers. Rivers names. They can ask you match the following guys. Okay? Yeah. Next guys, actually we come across the civilization and culture. Okay? The most favored name of the civilization of Indian subcontinent, not about only India. This is the Indian subcontinent. Okay? 1000 years ago, 2500 years ago, there is a civilization is existence guys. That is the civilization. The name is Indus. The name is Indus. Almost all civilization all over world are based on river based, guys. River bank civilization is there. In Iraq, there is a Iraq civilization. Mesopotamia civilization took place in Iraq, that is the river bank. In India, Indus Valley civilization took place by the name of Indus River. Okay, there are Egypt civilization is there. Okay, Iraq civilization is there, and Indus civilization is there. Chinese civilization is there. All over civilization based on river bank. Our best river is Indus civilization. Okay, yeah, we are going to discuss that is the most important river, Indus River. Indus River, one of the most important river for us. Okay, yeah, guys, just look into here. Indus River, yeah, of course, these all Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus, all over they can perennial rivers. When ice melt and form the water, these are the perennial antecedent rivers. Perennials, antecedent, very old rivers. Okay, antecedent and lifetime rivers and perennial rivers. Okay, we are going to discuss one of the Indus River System. Okay, yeah, it is origin from the this Seggi Kambab River, where Kailash range, guys, India physiography I did explain where the Kailash range is there. The different kind of ranges, passes and peaks I did explain in the India physiography topic. You have to go through that video, guys. Okay, yeah, it is about Lake Manas Sarovar. Range is Kailash range, lake is Manas Sarovar lake. Where Indus River origin? Manas Sarovar lake. Okay, yeah, it is about the altitude. They can ask you because of it is the high and hilly area river, guys. 4,200 height. Everest is how much? 8,000. Okay, it is 4,000. The river can originate 4,000 meters altitude, guys. Okay, the length 3,100 length. If come to the India, it can be flow, okay, 1,100, guys, 1,100 it can be flow. Countries, China, which is origin place Tibet, India, Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir, and Pakistan main course, guys. There is a dispute between India and Pakistan about this river. Okay, yeah, we are going to discuss. Okay, drainage basin, it can cover some lakhs, 11 lakhs. Okay, 11 lakhs it can be covered square kilometers. Okay, in India, if it is 3,21,000 square kilometers, guys. Okay, where it can be meet in Pakistan, Gilgit-Baltistan near Skardu. This is important for exam. Okay, it is enter into the Pakistan here, guys, Gilgit-Baltistan. I am going to show it the diagram. Okay, yeah, don't worry. Yeah, just look into here. This is the state of Jammu Kashmir. This is Jammu Kashmir. This is Himachal Pradesh. This is Punjab. Okay, this is Uttarakhand. Okay, northern states, guys, northern states. So Indus, where it can be origin? Okay, yeah, Lake Mansa Sarovar, Lake Mansa Sarovar. Indus origin Lake Mansa Sarovar, guys. Okay, Lake Mansa Sarovar, that is in Tibet. Okay, Tibet. It can be west flowing river. First, it is enter Demchuk in India. The place Demchuk. They might ask you any names, guys. If they want tough paper, they can ask you any kind of name, guys. Yeah, Demchuk, and finally it is west flow Leh, Ladakh, the place Leh. It can be flow Ladakh, the place Leh. Okay, yeah. Finally, it can be reach this place Ladakh. Okay, and after enter, which is northwest, okay, northwest flowing, and finally they went down Indus, Pakistan. Okay, Pakistan, they down, guys, they down. Okay, yeah, this is the place where northernmost river, guys. Which one of the following is northernmost river? Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Indus river is the northernmost river, guys. It is origin where? Mansa Sarovar, Tibet, beyond the this is actually, this is Himalayan range. Kailash range is the Himalayan range. Kailash range, Manasa Sarovar is the Himalayan range. Beyond Himalayan range, it is origin. Okay, Kailash range is the optimum level of, that is Himalayan range. Most important, guys, Kailash range is the most northernmost Himalayan range. After that, there is a lake Manasa Sarovar in the Tibet. That is the place origin of Indus like river, guys. Okay, yes. Just look into here, this diagram. Yeah, we can go through the like. Okay, yeah, yeah. Just look into here. This is the Indus River where it is origin in the lake Manasa Sarovar, Tibet. It can be origin. Okay, yeah, it can flow. Sumori is the place where the lake, guys. Okay, it can be flow west, northwest. Okay, northwest. Just look into here, guys. Diagram map is the most important crucial role for the exam point of view, guys. Northwest, it is lay a place in Ladakh. Okay, yeah, and which is carry forward northernmost Indus. Guys, just here, just look into here, there are tributaries for the Indus. Okay, easternmost tributary is what here? Shyok. It is one of the tributary. It can be meet in this place, guys, Shyok. Okay, yeah, and this is Nubra also one of the river. One of the tributary, Nubra, and this is Shyok. Okay, this is, yeah, Gofar, and this is Shyok. Together they can meet here in the Shyok region. Shyok, Nubra and Gwadar. These are the tributaries of eastward, east tributaries. Okay, eastward tributaries. And west side also, this is the river, Indus River. East side tributaries, Shyok. Okay, Shyok is there, Nubra is there. Okay, Gwalior is there. Okay, these are the east flowing tributaries. West flowing tributaries also there. Okay, west tributaries also there. West tributaries are, we are going to discuss west tributaries. Okay, yeah. Finally, this Indus River, they enter, this is the Pakistan border, Gilgit. Okay, they can reach Gilgit, and after that, okay, Gilgit, after that they down. Gilgit is the highest peak area. If once reach the Gilgit place, that can be enter into the Pakistan, Balochistan places. Okay, I hope you guys understand. This is the Indus River and Indus tributaries of eastward tributaries. Shyok and Nubra and Guabra are there. Okay, that is actually, guys, just look into here. This is the Dal Lake. Okay, Ular Lake. Two lakes, freshwater lakes also there in the freshwater lakes. Freshwater lakes are there in the Jammu Kashmir. Okay, this is Ladakh. This place is Ladakh. Okay, this place is Jammu Kashmir. Okay, I hope you guys understand. We are going to discuss about it. Okay, yeah. Just look into here. We did complete the east tributaries, west tributaries, where they can origin. This is important. Okay, yeah, guys. Indus is origin here, where Lake Manas Sarovar, Kailas range. There is a tributary, one of the longest tributary of Indus beyond Himalayas, that can be origin. The tributary is Satluj. Just look into here. West side of Indus River tributary is Satluj, guys. Satluj River. This is Satluj, where Indus origin, but that place, this is the Satluj also origin. They enter into the Himachal Pradesh. They can ask you guys, Satluj River flowing towards how many states? Okay, they enter into the Himachal Pradesh, and finally they can reach Punjab also they can reach. Okay, and after that they enter into the Pakistan, guys. Satluj River, where it can be reached and meet the Indus is Mithankot place. This is important. Mithankot is the place of Pakistan. Of course, Satluj, they can origin same place along with Indus, but they did not meet up to the end Pakistan, Mithankot. Okay, that can be first. This Satluj reach, first they can reach Himachal Pradesh, after that Punjab, finally they can reach the Pakistan. There is a place Mithankot, the place which is merge Satluj into the Indus. Okay, yes, the beauty of Satluj. And another tributary, Beas, guys. Beas, they can origin in Himachal Pradesh only. They can reach Punjab. They merge into the Satluj. Beas, they can origin in Himachal Pradesh, merge into the Satluj, where Punjab. Okay, yeah, this is the Satluj is completed, Beas is completed. Okay, yeah. Finally, there is another river, Ravi. Ravi also origin at Himachal Pradesh. They can reach Pakistan. Through Punjab. Okay, Punjab. Finally, this is the Ravi. They can enter into the Chenab, guys. They can merge into the Chenab. Beas, they can merge into the Satluj. Ravi, they can merge into the Chenab. Okay, they all together to meet Indus in Mithankot, Pakistan. Guys, these are the rivers most important where they can origin. And Chenab also they can origin in Himachal Pradesh, but they can reach Kashmir. Chenab, and finally they can enter into the Ravi, Chenab, together they can enter into the Pakistan. But Jhelum is the one of the northernmost river. They can origin in Jammu Kashmir. Okay, that can be enter into the Pakistan. After Pakistan, they can reach Chenab. Guys, they can ask you order from north to south. They can ask you north to south the Indus Valley tributaries. First is Jhelum. First is Jhelum. After that, Chenab. First is Jhelum, Chenab. After that, Beas, okay, Ravi and Satluj. Beas, Ravi, Satluj. These are the rivers are from north to south. First point. Second point, what they can ask you, the origin place, original place, where they can origin. Okay, just look into here. Beas origin in Himachal Pradesh. Okay, Ravi origin in Ravi origin in Himachal Pradesh. Chenab origin in Himachal Pradesh. Beas, Ravi, Chenab, three origin in Himachal Pradesh. And Satluj they can origin in Tibet, Mansa Sarovar, Kailas range. And Jhelum they can origin in Jammu Kashmir, Srinagar, Jhelum. Second question. North to south they can ask you, and origin place they can ask you, and third point they can ask you how many states they can cross. How many states they can cross in India. Okay, come to this point. This Satluj they can cross Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, finally reach Pakistan, Mithankot. Okay, Beas it can be crossed Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. Okay, and Chenab also Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir. Chenab is different. Chenab is different. Satluj, Beas, Ravi they can reach Himachal Pradesh and finally Punjab and finally Pakistan. And this is the Chenab, they can origin Himachal Pradesh, but they don't touch Punjab. They can enter into the Jammu Kashmir and finally reach Mithankot, Pakistan, where Indus River they can merge these 5 tributaries, guys. I hope you guys understand. Okay, the tributaries, westward tributaries, eastward tributaries we did complete, westward tributaries are 5 we did complete. I hope you guys understand this. Okay, yes. And so guys, just look into here. These are the rivers. They can ask you any farm, guys, any farm. And if come to the Indus Lake Manas Sarovar, they can origin, they can reach Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir and Pakistan. They don't touch Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and all. Okay, yes. Next, we are going to discuss about tributaries, western tributaries. Jhelum origin where Kashmir, Pir Panjal range, okay, yeah, Pir Panjal range, Jhelum, okay. Just look into here just now, yeah, this is the range is Pir Panjal range, Jhelum, okay, Pir Panjal. This is Karakoram, this is Pir Panjal. I'm gonna tell you again. This is Karakoram range. Okay, who can cross Karakoram range? Indus. Okay, yeah. Here, Jammu Kashmir, where this is the Pir Panjal range, guys. Pir Panjal range. This is the range where is the Jhelum river can flow. Jhelum. This is Nanga Parbat. Nanga Parbat is the highest, one of the highest peak, guys. That's why they can attract the water from the Gilgit and they can enter downward, guys. Nanga Parbat, okay. Yeah, and there is, Jhelum, as there are 2 lakes, Ular Lake and in the Srinagar, okay. Just look into here. Yeah, Ular Lake, Jhelum where can produce from the Ular Lake in the Srinagar, okay. Yeah, this is the Srinagar, guys. Dal Lake is there, Ular Lake is there, where Jhelum flow. They can ask you any farm, okay. Yeah, and it is enter into the Pakistan where Mangla, this place they can enter. There is a Mangla Dam. Mangla Dam is there. They can ask you the question, okay. Mangla Dam related to the which river? That is river is Jhelum, is the northernmost river. Northernmost river. most river of Indus, after Indus guys. Okay, next Chenab. Chenab, where it can be origin? Chenab is confluence of two rivers, okay, Chandra and Bhaga. Chandra, Bhaga, two rivers together to form Chenab, okay, Chandra Bhaga. This is river at Himachal Pradesh, okay. This is split known as Chandra Bhaga in Himachal Pradesh, Chandra Bhaga, okay. Chenab also, they can origin in Himachal Pradesh, they can enter into the Jammu Kashmir guys, okay. Yeah, it is joins Jhelum, later it is merges Indus in Mithankot, Pakistan. After that Ravi river, after that Ravi. This is Kullu Hills, originate Kullu Hills guys. This is the antecedent rivers. Antecedent rivers mean the oldest rivers. There is a name in the Vedic, okay. In Vedas, there are names of these tributaries. Of Indus. Sutlej is, there is a name, Bias is, there is a name, and Ravi is the name, okay. There is a Chenab is the name, Indus is the name. There are different names in Vedic culture guys. Vedic literature, there is a different names of these all rivers. They can ask you, Ravi is Vipasa, Ravi name is Vipasa, okay. This kind of questions they can ask you. They did ask previous year exam, Ravi is the name in the Indus like river system in the Vedic literature, that is Vipasa, Ravi mean Vipasa. So this kind of questions they can ask you guys, you have to come across once Google, okay. Yes, and Kullu Hills, Ravi is the Kullu Hills, Himachal Pradesh. It is flow through the Chamba Valley and enter into the Pakistan near Lahore, okay. Bias is Bias Kund, it is origin in Bias Kund where Himachal Pradesh Rohtang Pass. This is important, Rohtang Pass, Himachal Pradesh, Bias origin, okay. Yeah, after that Sutlej, Rakas Tal in Tibet. It is the longest river in Indus system after Indus, okay, where it is near Manas Sarovar, Rakas Tal, okay. Only Indus tributary that originate beyond Himalayas, that is Sutlej river, okay. That can be meet Indus in Mithankot place, Pakistan, okay. I hope you guys understand this tributaries of Indus, 5 tributaries, west side tributaries. You can take a screenshot, okay. Okay, you can take a screenshot guys. Next, eastern tributaries, Shyok river, Gilgit river, Jaskar and Kabul river, and there is a Tochi. Yeah, 1 minute. Shyok river, we did discuss, right? Shyok river and Gilgit river, Jaskar, Nubra river and Kabul river. Just look into here. Yeah, Shyok river, Nubra river, Shyok river, Gilgit river, okay. Yeah, these are the Gilgit river, here Gilgit river, okay. Gilgit is the northernmost river guys, Gilgit is the northernmost river, and Nubra, Shyok and Gwal river, okay. We are going to discuss about it. Yeah, Shyok originate at rim of glaciers, okay, where Karakoram hills, okay, range, Karakoram range joins Indus where Skardu, okay. Gilgit river from Hindu Kush range, northernmost, okay, northernmost point, northernmost point. Okay, this is. After that, Jaskar, Nubra, Hunja rivers, all from Karakoram Himalayan ranges. Okay, yeah. Kabul River, Hindu-Kush joins in at Attock, Pakistan. Okay, Kabul. Okay, these are the easternmost rivers of Indus River, guys. West 5 rivers, east are these rivers, guys. You have to be remember most important for the exam point of view, guys. Mostly they did ask western rivers. Okay, western tributaries of Indus, that is Indus, that is actually important for exam point of view. Sometimes they can ask you eastern tributaries of Indus River. Okay, sometimes. So you have to be focus everything, guys. Okay. Yeah. States covers. States covers. Indus River cover how many states? Ladakh, that is Union Territory. Main river is Shyok and Jaskar. They can Nubra are the tributaries of Ladakh. In the Ladakh, Indus tributaries, Indus can flow Ladakh, right? If the flow Indus River through the Ladakh, there are tributaries, 3 tributaries, they can meet in the Ladakh, that is Shyok, Jaskar and Nubra. Shyok, Jaskar and Nubra, these 3 rivers, they can meet in the Ladakh. So this is Ladakh. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh, from the Himachal Pradesh, there are tributaries Satluj, Bia, Chenab, Ravi, they can originate here. But Satluj not origin Himachal Pradesh, Tibet. Okay, Tibet they can origin. Okay, so they can meet Indus here. Punjab, in the Punjab, Satluj, Biach, Ravi, they can flow here, entering into the Pakistan. Okay, Jammu Kashmir, Jhelum and Chenab here, they can meet Indus. Jammu Kashmir. Okay, yes. International borders and treaties. Indus Water Treaty 1960. Indus Water Treaty 1960, most important. These disputes are, it's a long way disputes. They did not settle down still. Okay, yeah. India and Pakistan, okay, brokered by the World Bank. World Bank, there is a dispute. Judgment is took place by the World Bank itself. Why World Bank itself to take responsible mean? World Bank is the financial institution for both any global countries, okay, all listed countries. It is the financial institution to settlement the matters relevant to the financial. Of course, river is the major irrigation sources. The country they can get a GDP. Mostly GDP India is took place by the rivers. Subsistence agriculture farming took place in India. 63% rural population depend on subsistence agriculture farming and allied sectors. So rivers are the main resources, natural resources to give us GDP, either both countries. In that way, World Bank is the institution lead to decision for these countries, guys. So they allocate the sharing of Indus River System. Eastern rivers, especially Ravi, Bias and Satluj for India. Ravi, Bias, Satluj for India. This is important, they can ask you. As per Indus Water Treaty 1960, World Bank allocated the rivers into the India, that is Ravi, Bias and Satluj, main rivers. Okay. Western rivers like Indus, Jhelum and Chenab for Pakistan. Okay. Indus, Jhelum and Chenab for Pakistan, Ravi, Bias and Satluj for India. This is important for exam point of view. This is important for exam. Okay. Yeah. Take a screenshot, guys. Take a screenshot. Yeah. Temples. Yeah. There are number of temples. This is important for exam, guys. Important exam. Okay. Cities and temples. Okay. They can ask you cities one side and like reverse one side. Reverse one side. Match the following questions they can ask you. Okay, match the following. Match the following questions ask you: temples and rivers, rivers and states. Okay, yeah, places. Amarnath cave temple. Which tributary? Jhelum. Jhelum. Amarnath cave temple, Jhelum. Keshavpur Shab is Punjab near Bias river, guys. Bias river. Okay. Kedarnath, Badrinath not directly for Indus, but it is Ganga water system. They can ask you which one of the following is Ganga and Indus Brahmaputra. They can give you Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra one side, temples are one side. Temples are one side and rivers are one side, most important. Badrinath, Kedarnath is Ganga. Okay, and Amarnath cave temple is Indus. Okay, yeah, Keshpur is Bias river. Okay, yeah, guys, this kind of temples and rivers and cities and rivers. Cities and rivers also, this is the previous year UPSC question, guys. Previous year UPSC question, one side they did give cities, one side they did give rivers name. Okay, I did made here. Okay, Leh city, Ladakh, Indus. Leh city, Ladakh, Indus, and Srinagar, Jhelum. Srinagar is the city Jhelum can flow. Okay, and Hyderabad, Musi, like that. Okay, Vijayawada, that is the river Godavari. Okay, like this river Krishna, sorry, Vijayawada Krishna. Okay, Vijayawada Krishna, Hyderabad Musi. Okay, Leh is the Ladakh. Leh is the Ladakh. Leh is the river Ladakh, and Srinagar is Jhelum. Sorry, Leh is the Indus. Leh is the Ladakh city Indus. Jhelum is the river Srinagar, and Lahore, where is the Ravi? Ravi is the river they can flow through the Lahore. Okay, yeah. Multan is the place Chenab river they can flow. Okay, and Karachi is the place of Pakistan, Indus they can flow. Okay, Karachi people they can drink water Indus. Okay, yeah. This is Multan. Multan people they can drink water Chenab. Lahore people they can drink water of Ravi. Okay, yeah. Srinagar people they can drink water from the Jhelum, and Leh, Ladakh, Leh is the city Ladakh, they can drink water from the Indus. Okay, this is important for exam point of view, guys. Okay, I did made most accurate notes based on trend of the exams, based on all over the fast exams I did take, and I did sort out the notes, guys, based on trends. We don't want take any other matters extra. We don't want take any like risk. What not to read is the most important in the competitive exam. Okay, yes. And wildlife throughout the Indus Valley civilization. What are the wildlife? Okay, this is also important for exam point of view, guys. Okay, Indus Valley system, guys, I did cover in Ganga river system. I did cover all wildlife, temples and cities and states, origin place and tributaries, Ganga river system. Brahmaputra as well same, and here Indus as well same I did made. Okay, if you missed it that videos, you can go through that Ganga river system and Brahmaputra river system. There is part 1, part 2, guys, part 3, part 4, you have to be watch it. Okay, yes, and take a screenshot where I did made a notes, productive notes. Okay, yeah, guys, here wildlife sanctuaries and natural parks about Indus Valley civilization, Hemis National Park, Hemis National Park, Hemis National Park, Ladakh, Hemis National Park, Ladakh. Okay, yeah, that is Indus Valley and famous for snow leopards. Famous for snow leopards. This is important for coming exam, guys. Hemis National Park is where? Ladakh, Indus Valley. Ladakh Indus Valley famous for snow leopard. Recently there is a demographic calculation took place of the snow leopards. Snow leopards, there is a like took place, there is a news. Okay, so you come across Hemis National Park. Guys, recently recently exam I come across, they did ask the different names, the natural names. Kaziranga National Park everyone knows, Kaziranga National Park everyone, Manas National Park everyone knows, but they can find a different names in the coming exams. Like Hemis, we did not come across these words mostly, but this is the important place where the snow leopards are habituate. Okay, yeah. Kistawar High Altitude National Park. This is Chenab Basin River. Chenab Basin River is, they can flow through the Kistawar High Altitude National Park. Harike Wetland. This is the most important wildlife bird sanctuary. This is the most important for coming exam, guys. 5 star. 5 star important. Okay, it is confluence of Bias, Satluj and Punjab. Harike Wetland. This is Ramsar wetland, guys. Ramsar wetland. Ramsar wetland list. Ramsar wetland list is took place Harike Wildlife Sanctuary, wetland bird sanctuary. This is important, okay, for Himachal Pradesh, guys. This is located at Himachal Pradesh. Himachal. Harike bird sanctuary, wetland bird sanctuary. It is confluence of 3 rivers, Bias, Ravi and Satluj. Okay, yeah. Ular Lake bird sanctuary. Okay, Jhelum River in Kashmir. Jhelum River in Kashmir. These are the most important rivers, wildlife are there, river based wildlife. Okay, take a screenshot. Most important slide. This is most important slide. Okay, yes. One Ramsar site is there and a national park sanctuary is also there. Okay. Okay, yes. Yeah, unique features about the Indus River System. What are the unique speciality? Speciality of like it is unlike other river system. This is unique features of Indus River System. Okay, Trans-Himalayan rivers. These are the Trans-Himalayan rivers originate beyond Himalayas, that is Satluj and Brahmaputra. Satluj and Brahmaputra Trans-Himalayan rivers. Beyond Himalayas they can origin, guys. Okay. Antecedent river is what? Antecedent river is what? These are the antecedent rivers. Actually these Himalayan rivers are antecedent rivers. They can cut across the Himalayan and older than mountains. Older than mountains. Okay. Yeah. Indus Delta is the one of the world largest fertile delta in Sindhu, Pakistan. Okay, one of the, yeah, there are delta, Sundarban Delta also there. Sundarban Delta, which is confluence of Ganga and Brahmaputra, that is not fertile. That is not fertile. Indus Delta, Indus River also created a delta in Pakistan. This is world largest fertile delta. Okay, world largest brackish water delta, that is Sundarban Delta. Okay, don't confuse it, guys. Okay, glacial feed mostly fed by snow glaciers at Karakoram, Jaskar range, Ladakh ranges. Okay, civilization, as you know, Indus Valley civilization based on Indus River. These are the unique features of the Indus River, guys. Okay, yes. Yeah. Next, importance of Indus River. Agriculture, they can support agriculture. Okay, irrigation in Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan in India, Punjab, Sindhu in Pakistan. Okay, it can be Punjab in India, Punjab in Pakistan. Okay, Yeah, hydropower projects also there in India. Okay, Bhakra Nangal project. This is important for exam. Bhakra Nangal project in Satluj, most important for coming exam, guys. Okay, most important for coming exam. Bhakra Nangal project based on which river? Okay, that is Satluj. Most important, this is the highly disputed project, guys. It is highly disputed. Okay, most important project. Pongdam is project is on Bias. On Bias, this is also important. Okay, Balingar on Chinab. Okay, sorry, Baglinga and Kishan Ganga is Jhelum. This is also important. These are the projects, most important project based on rivers. They can ask you one side project, one side rivers. One side projects name, one side river name. They can ask you match the following questions, guys. Okay, yes. Strategic source of Indus water treaty dispute, water scarcity, security issues with Pakistan. Of course, cultural like Rigveda mentions Sindhu. Indus River is the name in the Rigveda. There are names in the Vedas, right? I told you, right? There are different names of these Indus River system in Vedas. In the Rigveda, they mention Sindhu. They can ask you which one of the following is mentioned the Sindhu, which Vedas, Rigveda, Atharvana Veda. Okay, these 4 Vedas are there, right? They can ask you the Rigveda, they mention Sindhu. Rigveda is the first Vedas. Okay, in the Vedas, 1100 years Rigveda is there. 1100 years, about 2500 years. There are 1100 years Rigveda took place. Okay, Rigveda, there is a mention Sindhu. Okay, Indus name mentioned in the Rigveda as Sindhu. Okay, yes. Yeah, PYQ based questions. Okay, quick factors. Longest tributary is Chenab. Longest tributary is Chenab. I hope that is Satluj, I think, but it is mentioned Chenab. Only Trans-Himalayan tributary is Satluj. Okay, only Trans-Himalayan is Satluj. Okay, yes. And the origin outside India, Satluj, Indus, both from the Tibet. Okay, both from the Tibet. This is important. River forming Ular Lake is in the Jhelum. Jhelum river forming a lake. That lake is Ular Lake. Okay, Ular Lake is relevant to the tributary of Jhelum, guys. Okay, yes. Rivers allocated Pakistan, that is Indus, Jhelum and Chenab. Okay, city on Ravi is Lahore. Ravi is the Lahore city river, guys. This is PYQ. This is previous year question. Lahore is the city relevant to the which river is Ravi. Okay, yes. River known as Chandrabhaga is Chenab. Delta is they can enter finally Arabian Sea near Karachi. Okay, Arabian Sea near Karachi. Okay, I hope you guys understand all over topic. Okay, yeah, all over topics. We are going to discuss the things all over Indus River System in 3:30, guys. 3:30, I am going to discuss the MCQs based on Indus River System. We are going to discuss the tributaries and their like PYQs, previous year questions relevant to this Indus system. We are going to discuss the 3:30 session, guys. 3:30, I am going to take another class for the geography. Okay, Indus questions based on this topic. Okay, yeah. I hope you guys understand all over this. You have to take a screenshot. You have to take a screenshot about it. I am gonna showing again. Okay, yes. I can send you notes also, guys, if you want. Okay, yes. take a screenshot all over this. It may help for you guys, most accurate notes. This is important. Okay. I'm going to explain it later. 3:30 class I will explain these rivers guys, special Indus treaty rivers we will going to discuss in 3:30 class. I hope you guys understand. If you like this class, you can like it and share it guys. Thank you so much.